Hi, I'm Sheen, and today again we'll work with Prelude, Honda Prelude, and today we'll probably finally do this because I checked manual once more and I figured out that probably this part is broken and I already ordered a new one, and now we need to put this there, mount this there, and also this motor it's from English version, so I'm not sure if it will work, but this will put there and we'll see if it works. Okay, and there is a problem because as you can see, this is my original one. Yes, look at this and this, look here, look here, and look how many pins are here and how many are here. And I don't know, sealer was telling in the internet that is for 4th generation, and also it has no AC control, AC button, so it's probably not AC version, but ISO and pin are different, and I don't know, maybe it's from Prelude 5, I don't know, but I can do this. I wanted to replace them, switch them, but this one I can't because it's too big. I mean, how can I put this? Yeah, so still I'm fucked. Okay, I already started because my phone was too hot for record, but as you can see, I started unmounting a rear bumper because we want to have an access for radio antenna, and we'll switch this antenna. So I'm just get to work. I have to unscrew here screws and we will take off the bumper, and later I will show you what to do. Yeah, so as you can see, I already unmount a bumper, but also I had 2 lamps because here was holes that I had to do to remove, and now I need to remove this, and I will have, I wish, easier access to antenna. Alright, I unmount this and I broke them, but look what I found inside. This is mine, that I know. An interesting heart. I wonder from what. A pin. Bulb. Oops. I wonder if it works. Probably no. A pen. And a lot of dirt. A screw. It's amazing that sometimes what can you find inside of your car. Okay, I will go back to work. So here is an old antenna, here is a new antenna, and now I'll mount this. To be honest, it's it looks like the same model, but okay, we'll see. Yeah, it's the same model, even a few parts are the same. Only this one is another. I think this one is too short and someone put longer one, that's why this one is another. But everything else is the same. To be honest, that's good. But how I have to mount this? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, I have a lot of issues, but I did it. It looks like this. It's not so nice, but it must be like this. Now I will put the back together a rear bumper to this, and I will finish for the day. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Eska gra, antena stoi!